Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pandora app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on voice message or voice assistant here, or we will go back. You just click on advanced here until you will find here playing on two situations. You click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. You will find here play artists audio messages. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone, that's mean play artists audio messages disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.